Shares of the national stock exchange surged by more than 25% in the unlisted market following a 4-to-1 bonus announcement and dividend of 90 rupees per share. The stock is currently trading in the 5,400 to 5,800 rupees range. At 5,500, NSE is valued at 2.73 lakh crores, or about $33 billion, making it the world's 7th most valuable stock exchange. But, is it still worth investing in NSE unlisted shares? In this video, I will explain everything you need to know before investing in NSE unlisted shares. The National Stock Exchange of India is one of the largest stock exchanges globally, both in terms of market capitalization and volume of transactions. Established in 1992, NSE has been a pioneer in electronic trading in India. It offers a comprehensive range of financial products, including equities, derivatives, debt, and mutual funds. In the fiscal year 2023, the NSE reported a revenue of Rs 12,765 crores, up from 8,873 crores in 2022. This surge was primarily driven by a significant increase in futures and options trading volumes. Their profit after tax also saw a remarkable rise, reaching 7,355 crores, compared to 5,198 crores the previous year. With an earnings per share of 148 rupees and a generous dividend of 90 rupees per share, the NSE showcases a strong financial position. If you look at the financials over the past 5 years, NSE has shown impressive growth in both revenue and profits. In the fiscal year 2023, revenue surged to Rs 12,765 crores from 3,507 crores in the year 2020. The CAGR for NSE's revenue over this period is 53.83%. And profits grew to Rs 7,355 crores in the year 2023, compared to 1,885 in 2020. Giving the impressive CAGR of 57.43% over this period. Also, NSE's profit margins have been stable and high, indicating strong profitability. NSE has consistently rewarded its shareholders with substantial dividends, reflecting its strong financial health and commitment to sharing profits. Dividends also increased significantly to Rs 90 per share in the financial year 2023 from just 11 rupees in 2019. NSE demonstrates superior financial performance both in terms of revenue growth and profit growth with a whopping 59% and 41% respectively, compared to BSE's 10% and 11% respectively. From a valuation perspective, NSE seems to offer a better deal with a price-to-earnings ratio of 22x compared to BSE's 48x. This suggests NSE shares might be undervalued relative to BSE, presenting a potentially attractive investment opportunity. Now, why is it the best time to buy NSE unlisted shares? Here are the key reasons. Strong financial performance. With significant revenue growth and a substantial increase in net profits, NSE's financial health is robust. The company's EPS of 148 and a dividend payout of 90 rupees per share indicate strong earnings and a commitment to returning value to shareholders. Market leadership. NSE commands approximately 80 to 85% of the total market share in terms of trading volumes and turnover, whereas BSE holds the remaining 15 to 20%, highlighting NSE's dominant position in the Indian stock exchange market. This makes NSE a more attractive option compared to BSE. Technological edge. NSE's advanced technology infrastructure supports high-frequency trading and efficient market operations. This technological advantage attracts more investors, enhancing market activity and liquidity. Valuation. NSE's PE ratio is 22 times compared to BSE's 48 times, suggests that NSE is undervalued. Buying NSE shares now offers a potential upside as the market recognizes its true value. Future growth potential. As NSE continues to expand its product offerings and technological innovations, it's well-positioned for future growth. This makes it a solid long-term investment. If you are interested in buying NSE shares, here's the process you should follow. Step 1. KYC approval. Submit your KYC documents and receive approval from NSE. Step 2. Verification and transfer. Your broker will verify and facilitate the transfer of shares. This process can take 3 to 4 months and involves various documentation charges. If you are planning to buy NSE unlisted shares with trusted brokers, visit the website www.unlistedxchange.in or give us a call to the numbers shown on screen. Our professionals will help you clearing all doubts related to NSE shares and will give the better price with hassle-free transactions. The NSE has been actively preparing for its initial public offering, but as of now, the exact date for the NSE IPO has not been confirmed. In a recent interview, the MD and CEO of NSE, Mr. Ashish Kumar, said they are waiting for SEBI's approval to launch IPO. While the National Stock Exchange, NSE, is experiencing significant growth and investor interest, it is also embroiled in several high-profile legal battles that could impact its future operations and IPO plans. Colocation controversy. NSE was ordered by SEBI to return 625 crores for giving certain brokers preferential access through its colocation facility. While SAT reduced this amount, it still imposed a 100 crore penalty for inadequate oversight. SEBI rejected NSE's settlement offer, leaving the case unresolved. Dark fiber case. Certain brokers allegedly gained faster connectivity using NSE's internet infrastructure. SEBI initially fined NSE and its former executives 7 crore rupees, but SAT quashed these penalties. SEBI has appealed to the Supreme Court, so the issue remains unresolved. In conclusion, investing in NSE unlisted shares offers a promising opportunity due to their strong financial performance, attractive valuations, and a track record of rewarding their investors. However, it is important to thoroughly research and consider your risk tolerance before investing. If you have any questions or need assistance in buying unlisted shares, don't hesitate to contact us at below number. We'll ensure you get the best prices and expert support. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next.